So behind me is ChamäleTuna. It spells like chameleon and like tuna, and this is actually the right meaning of it because it's a tuna in the shape of a fish and a sculpture in the shape of a tuna, and it's a chameleon because it's scanning people's clothes and changes colors according to people's clothes. Because when you step somewhere here where you see this kind of like letters, it's gonna change its color to color of your clothes.
The Downtown Development District is excited to invest in art all across downtown to really provide additional reasons for folks to patronize downtown businesses, to live downtown. I think illuminated public spaces are really important so that residents and visitors alike feel the invitation to occupy the space at night and enjoy downtown after dark.
You know, our traditional visitor here at the aquarium is somebody who appreciates nature, and there's a component of that that has to do with art, and we love to bring those two together. We feel that our animals are also art, and so bringing in art that humans have created juxtaposed next to the animals that we care for, we think is a match made in heaven. So the ChamäleTuna is fantastic. We love fish here at the aquarium, of course, and I think that the visitors are going to be delighted and excited to see something that was unexpected in the park. We love to bring guests into this beautiful space, and it's a great addition, and it's aquatic themed, so it's perfect.
So I think that I would like people to feel kind of a communication with this culture and to see that not only we as humans can communicate, but even art can communicate back to them.